If you have issues with Wi-Fi not working properly on POCO M8 5G, here's what you can do. First of all, we're gonna open settings. And in here, if you go to more connectivity options, you can find the airplane mode. Of course, you want to make sure that airplane mode is not enabled if you want to use Wi-Fi. In some cases, we can turn on the airplane mode by accident and we might not even be aware of that. So we can turn it off. Now, in addition to that, what you can also do is you can check if your if your Wi-Fi network works on other devices. So if you have another device that uses the same Wi-Fi network, check if that network works on that other device. And if it doesn't, then of course it means probably that you have issue with the Wi-Fi itself rather than with Wi-Fi on your phone. However, if Wi-Fi works just fine and it just doesn't work in your case, what you can do next is, if you have been connected to the network before, you can go to the details of the network and you can just forget the network and try to pair again. You can also just simply turn off and turn Wi-Fi back on. Sometimes this simple step also can be quite helpful. Besides that, if you get, for example, disconnected all the time, or maybe not all the time, but it happens from time to time, you might want to check if this option connect automatically is enabled. Because if it's not, if you, for example, get disconnected for some reason, your phone might not want to connect back to it. If you have a Wi-Fi QR code and if you have trouble with finding your network, you can use that Wi-Fi QR code. You can scan the code over here in order to connect to the network without having to enter the password. And besides that, in case you have the network available in here or something, or it is supposed to be here but it is not available, then you can go to additional settings and then go to manage safe networks, and then you can delete the network in order to try to connect to that network again. Hopefully this time it will actually appear. Also, the restart or refresh button actually is available after a couple of seconds in here on the right side, and you can use it in order to refresh the list of available networks. If none of this helps, you can go back to settings and then go to more connectivity options, and then in here we have reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. Unfortunately, these three things cannot be separated, so if you decide to do so, you will have to not only reconnect your Wi-Fi networks, but also your Bluetooth devices if you had any. But if you are ready, just tap on reset settings, and then go back to Wi-Fi and try to connect to the network again. And hopefully this time it will work. Also remember that a simple restart or reboot of the phone can be helpful too, so do that before, for example, resetting all these settings. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.